Hey guys, just thought I would give a very brief explanation to the problem that I showed in the last video of is my skylight leaking. I don't know how else to do this, but my name's Craig and I'm the owner of Skylights, and let me just give you a brief explanation of how I solved that problem. First of all, here's one of our skylights we've got here. We make custom. Been making them custom for 30 years. The same skylight you saw on the roof, and the issue was, here is our polycarbonate dome cover that we also make in-house, and there was here under the underside dripping everywhere. So what I did was simply, we have the dome cover put on like that, and then we have custom made trims that hold the dome cover down, and they are put in with Tech screws. So I took that off, took the dome cover off, and then what I did was, I should have shown you on site, but I just started all this YouTube stuff. I just drill holes here and here on the sides of the skylight and at the bottom where it's sloping at the bottom. And so far so good. It's dealing with the condensation that's inside. So the trick is to find out where the leak is coming from, where the water drop's coming from. In this case, as you could see in the previous video, it was inside the dome cover. Anyway, any questions? Happy to answer them. Website skylights.com.au. Okay, see ya, bye.